Today, the main focus is going over past assignments and fixing your mistakes, asking questions about it, but also realizing that the ACT is a way to leave your doors open to the future. You are in high school, and although you might have an idea of what you want to do in the future, you also might have changed. Like, how many of you have ever made a decision and then changed your mind? And you don't know for 100% sure exactly what you're going to want in the future. And taking the ACT now can open up some doors for you. And maybe if you change your mind in the next couple of years, you're not going to have to come back and take it again, although you could. I think it's best to take it when you have all of this like high school and knowledge and middle school knowledge fresh in your brain. You don't want to have to go back and review all the geometry and review all the algebra. It is accepted by most U.S. colleges and universities. There's that optional writing piece. Many schools will offer a scholarship for high school ACT scores, and some jobs have actually started looking at ACT scores. So I do not want to push the college as the only post-secondary option. There are many post-secondary options out there for you, but what I'm trying to say is that the ACT can leave some of those doors open in case you change your mind and you want to go back and do something else. It actually used to be required and might be required again in the future for graduation, as taking either the ACT or the SAT are a component of graduation, but it's not this year. So the cool part about it is that the one at the school is free. Any other time you take the ACT, you have to pay to take it. So embrace the free option and embrace that it's going to open up doors for you if you ever want to change your mind or you are deciding to go to college or university. If you finished early on any of the other parts, think about adding that time to today's ACT. So today there's going to be extra time for actually solving these. There you go. Happy solving.